Lil Wayne, a legend whose rise to fame was filled with talent, ambition, and unexpected twists. How did a kid from New Orleans, who almost lost it all, rise to become one of the wealthiest and most influential rappers in the world? What's his secret to not only making millions but also protecting it from scams? Stay tuned to find out the genius moves behind his empire. Wayne's story starts in Hollygrove, a rough neighborhood in New Orleans, where he faced struggles from a young age. But even in the face of adversity, he showed his brilliance early on. At 9 years old, he was discovered by Birdman from Cash Money Records, and his journey to stardom began. His life wasn't all music and glitz. At just 12 years old, he faced a moment of despair and attempted suicide, struggling with his family's disapproval of his career. But Wayne bounced back, and by 14, he was already making waves in the music industry. This early introduction to the music business wasn't just about luck. It was about vision. By 1999, Wayne dropped his first album, Tar Block Is Hot, which set him on a path that would redefine the rap game. But his big break came with the Tar Carter series, turning him into a global superstar. Every success Wayne achieved in his career was built on one foundation: his ability to mix talent with business acumen. From Lollipop to A Milli, Wayne's catalog of hits is a reflection of his unmatched creativity. The genius of Wayne wasn't just in his ability to rap but also in how he changed the music industry. With his Tar Carter series, he didn't just release albums, he built a legacy. Wayne became the first rapper to top charts like Elvis Presley, and through Young Money Entertainment, he launched careers for Drake, Nicki Minaj, and Tyga, taking over the world of hip-hop. But here's where Wayne's brilliance really stands out. He wasn't just chasing fame, he was making smart business moves, turning his art into massive wealth. He pioneered a model for independent artists, showing them how to own their own work, secure their rights, and break free from traditional label constraints. His influence on the music industry is undeniable, and his impact is still being felt today. However, Wayne's story isn't all sunshine. He's faced health battles, including epilepsy, which led to multiple hospitalizations. And let's not forget about the time when he was incarcerated. In 2010, Wayne went to jail for weapons charges, but that didn't slow him down. If anything, it fueled his determination. Inside the prison, Wayne didn't sit idle. He used his time to write, plan, and keep building his empire. This resilience showed not just in his career but in his personal life as well. Despite these challenges, Wayne's life is a testament to how setbacks can be turned into comebacks. His health issues and time in prison became part of his story of resilience. Each struggle was just another step toward his eventual success. Here's where things get really interesting. While most celebrities end up losing their money to bad investments or scams, Lil Wayne took a very different route. When he started making big money, he didn't just go on a spending spree. He made a genius move. He gave his mom control over his properties to keep anyone from scamming him. He even told her, "If I ask you for a large sum of money for a girl, don't give it to me, even if I get angry." This was his way of ensuring that his money and assets stayed protected, no matter how big his fame grew. Wayne understood that success wasn't just about making money, it was about keeping it safe. He built a financial system where his wealth could grow without being threatened by others. Wayne's genius wasn't just in music. His empire expanded into several successful ventures. Young Money Entertainment wasn't just a record label, it became a powerhouse that launched the careers of Drake, Nicki Minaj, and Tyga, turning them into global stars. But Wayne didn't stop there, he was always thinking long-term. In 2020, he sold the Young Money catalog for $100 million, a brilliant move that added millions to his wealth. His investments didn't stop with music. Wayne ventured into fashion, real estate, and tech. He showed that while talent can get you far, investing smartly can make you immortal in business. Wayne's story is a perfect example of turning passion into long-term wealth. Now, let's talk about Wayne's luxury car collection. This isn't just about showing off, it's about Wayne's lifestyle. His collection includes some of the most expensive and rare cars like a Bugatti Veyron, Rolls-Royce Phantom, and a Ferrari F430. Each car isn't just a symbol of success, it represents the hard work and sacrifices Wayne made to get there. But Wayne doesn't just show off his wealth, he invests in his lifestyle, turning his love for cars into a statement of how far he's come. Lil Wayne's net worth today stands at a staggering $170 million. But here's the thing, his wealth isn't just from his music. It's his smart investments and business acumen that make him one of the wealthiest rappers alive. Wayne has mastered the art of making money from multiple sources, and that's why his empire is still growing today. His $100 million earnings in 2020 show that his hustle is far from over. With his diverse investments, he continues to build his wealth and legacy for the long haul. But Wayne isn't just focused on building his own empire, he's also dedicated to giving back. Through his One Family Foundation, he helps underprivileged children in New Orleans and around the world. He's also worked to improve education and healthcare for those in need, showing that his success isn't just about him. He understands the value of lifting others up, which is why his philanthropic efforts are an essential part of his legacy. Lil Wayne's journey isn't just about being a successful rapper, it's about being a visionary who understands the power of money, legacy, and family. From the streets of New Orleans to becoming one of the richest and most influential figures in music, Wayne's story teaches us all that success isn't just about talent, it's about smart decisions, resilience, and building for the future. If Wayne's story inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with what you think is the key to Lil Wayne's success. How would you apply his money mindset to your own life?